When somebody says they went to AIM, it is a huge thing for me. AIM has my best interests at heart, to be completely honest with you. Hi, my name is Jessica Weney. I'm the Senior Maintenance Recruiter for Piedmont Airlines. We came today to AIM Norfolk to donate an engine from one of our retired Dash 8 planes, Pratt & Whitney 120A engine. This is a power plant engine, so they're a turboprop engine, so they're going to be using it for their power plant section of their curriculum. We were very excited to donate it to you because of our relationship that we have. This partnership that we have has been a couple years in the making, and it's definitely flourished above and beyond where I ever thought it would go. And we're definitely at Piedmont Airlines looking forward to it continuing to grow.
We really brand our school to the types of employers that we were working with you. But it's absolutely our pleasure to be able to brand this engine with the employer's name for Piedmont.
Some of our base managers have graduated from aviation and student maintenance schools, and we have a very big AIM community in all of our mechanics. We know it's a good product that ultimately comes out of the school. Going through the curriculum that they have here is very good. It gives them the hands-on knowledge that they need and the book knowledge that they're going to need. The AMP certification is like the golden ticket. Clearly, you need to have that golden ticket to work in a federally mandated field. Going through programs like AIM, you're going to come out getting it. AIM is goal satisfying to the students to the point where they definitely have the resources at their fingertips to be efficient and get done in due time. So we will hire right out of school as long as they have their AMP certificate. Piedmont is a huge promote from within. As a mechanic, they get the experience, and then moving on, they can move up to a supervisory role and then ultimately become a base manager. Our base manager from our Salisbury location is actually an AIM Norfolk graduate. One of our major hubs is Philadelphia. Our Philadelphia base manager is graduate from AIM Philly as well. Especially if they show the determination that they need to be in a managerial level, we would definitely rather promote with them. Our ideal candidate for Piedmont, clearly you need to have that golden ticket also, but somebody who is going to come in and going to be dedicated to their job, and somebody who's going to want to learn and grow with the company is actually what we're looking for. Clearly, you know, you're rough and tough, you're turning wrenches, I get it. The one thing that I like to talk about Piedmont is we are a very family-based company. The morale is great. I was talking to the students last night, and the one thing that I said is, I think we can all agree that when you come into work in the morning, you have to love your job. And working for Piedmont for the past 3 years has been amazing, and all the mechanics say the same. The morale and how the morale is with us is a huge factor of us being the best